Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened today and what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So this is the channel we talk about Nifty 100 points, Bank Nifty at 250 points, Reliance 20 points daily. So we'll start with the chart of Nifty so that we can see what we can. So what we said is if market can give only gap up only, we can continue with the after dip we can look for a long side. But market almost gave a flat opening only, did not give a huge gap up. So it started coming down and the correct trade was available after it broke this point, right? So only this point it was available trade. Otherwise, market was going up down and it was not in a clean mode. How to go? So once it broke this one, it gave 100 points. So that was only trade possible. But I think that capturing was not that easy. So actually, no trade for today for me. So what can we expect from the market? So if you look at in a day, thing market is in a sideways for big in a big range actually. So this looks to be a big sideways that market is trying to work with. So until it breaks this either of the sides, we may not have a clean trades. So it is going to be in this June only for until the budget time. That market will be like going in between this one and tomorrow market is at the center of this range actually. So we can expect tomorrow intraday trade only possible is uh, the way it takes the swing first swing. So we have to wait for at least for an hour, 1 or 2 hours to see which side the market has taken given a swing and which side is breaking it. So for example, let me draw that seeing how it might look like. So if it forms a first swing like this and if it breaks this, then we can expect a market going up actually. So this, if it breaks like this, first swing is formed like this, and then if it breaks this first swing, then we can like expect the market going that side. That is first thing we can expect. The other swing is if it market continues go down and breaks this side, so we need to go for down swing. So we need to go for short. So this condition is applicable for flat, gap up, or gap down, all the scenarios that are possible. So market has to form, just allow the market to set the direction, which direction it wants to take, and then based on the swing that it breaks, so we go for the trade accordingly. So if it breaks on the higher side, go for long. If it breaks on the lower side, go for short. So these are the two trades that are possible. So we based on that we need to take call, right. So otherwise we don't see any other trade because since it is in a bigger range sideways market. So until it comes out, this market will not be having a great trade on a long trade that we can expect, right? So this is what we have it for Nifty. So I tried to cover that in my slide. So today no trade as the market was like kind of given the end of the market and in a single direction. But so that was, but it was we were expecting two short trade, one long trade. It came in the short trade. Expectation, as I said, a gap down, gap up, and flat. All these three things covered in one. So it is after the first swing is broken, then we can go on the trade that side actually. So as I explained in the chat. So let's look at what is possible for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what we discussed was very clear. So we expected market to go on either break the upside or high or break the low side or either side to take a trade. But market remained in that zone where it could not, it did not give any side to take a trade. So it was in the uh, zone of this range of 445 to 100 to 45 650. It was in the same in the zone. It did not give a trending market. So it is applicable tomorrow, same thing. So it depends on which side it breaks. If it breaks 46 today's high, we can go for long. If it breaks today's low, we can go for short. So these are the two trades that we can expect from the Bank Nifty. So This is what we have it for Bank Nifty. Reliance market has given, if you look at a monthly thing, so this is what the target was. We had already marked, so it is given close to the target and then started correcting actually. So in this case, now what we can expect is market Reliance has to give, like it is applicable to similar to what we can say is the Nifty. So it looks to be like a Nifty side kind of market. So we have to allow the market to settle in the direction, let it decide the direction that either it is going to go on the upside or downside. Based on that only, you'll be able to take trade. If it forms of upswing on the upside, then we can go for the long. If it forms a downswing, we can go after breaking it, we can go for the short side. So these are the two trades that are possible in Nifty. So basically what I'm saying is the market has not given a clear direction or good levels for us to take a trade or decide it a day before. We need to really wait for the market to take a direction, decide the direction, then we can go for trade. So yeah, as I said, we have to be very careful tomorrow because it's not that clear trade that we have it tomorrow. But once it comes out of range, for example, Nifty also, once it comes out of this range, probably we can go for long trades or short trade for hold it for longer period. But definitely for shorter period, we have to wait for the at least 1 or 2 hours to form a swing and then go for the trades. So this is what I have for tomorrow. So if you like this video, you can like this video and then can share your comment. If you're not subscribed this channel, you can subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.